Ben says, "Oh, are we about ready?" Now Russell's ready to go. We've been waiting an hour and a half. You guys have been derping around. Are you recording that?
If you call adjusting a bandsaw derping, then call me King.
What was he doing? He was derping around. He's just walking up and down. He was waiting for you to be done because he doesn't trust me to hold a camera. I'm done. I'm done.
That's not making the video. Oh, and always get you get some sweet shots of those gloves. Put the new Holy Shift kit on the Mark 7 GTI.
Wait, what? What's it called?
It's literally called the Holy Shift kit.
That's literally the name of it.
Yeah.
This is the first I've heard of this at all.
Are you gonna be all salty or are you gonna help?
No, I don't have anything to help with.
Right?
That's why I was going to help you do that. I'll just sit here. I'll wait.
Being all salty.
You're opening a box.
Trigger.
That's what you're doing right now.
Yeah.
What do you
If the people like us arguing,
Oh yeah, this
is gonna be the next hit show.
This is gonna be gold here.
What do you need
People
me
love-
for?
this
To
is-
help open a box?
This is
What do
like
you need help with?
this is like
Oh, I got
You
zoom. This
yeah,
is
it's not
oh
dramatic
man,
enough though.
that is pretty dramatic.
Did you turn the speed up?
I don't know.
Because sometimes it
it's
goes wrong.
flying.
If you hit it, sometimes are you filming or recording?
Yeah.
Well, sometimes when you're recording, it'll give you like that nice cinematic.
So yeah, that's not happening.
All right. Well, we need to. You know why OCC Chopper was so successful? Because they were just yelling at each other all the
That's
time.
true.
I need like a steel chair to hit Jackie over the head with.
You told me I wasn't even supposed to yell at you, and here you go. You kicked me out from behind the camera. You already opened your box,
No!
and then apparently
This
you need
box
help
is not-
opening the box that you already opened.
I feel like we're getting like Springer vibes. Like
Jerry. Well,
Okay.
then we need like somebody to be Mikey, come in all nice, soft, and like curly haired. Not her.
How about you? That was rude. How
You don't
about
know who Mikey is.
I don't care who Mikey is. How about you just open the box?
What if Mikey watches this video?
I don't know who that is. Just open the box.
Mikey, I'm sorry.
No, he's not.
You know Mikey's playing small town bars. He's an acoustic guitarist.
Really?
Yeah.
good for him.
Yeah, good for him. All right, guys. So we are gonna open up this box that's already been opened, and we switched camera people because Jackie got all triggered.
No, because you picked me off.
We realized that a lot of the special effects come from Ben tickling the keys back
That
there.
is true. Yourself a buck.
We need a steel chair. That's like, did you see those memes that were like, Trump and Biden are in the ring. It's almost all over. It's like, wait, what's that? It's Bernie Sanders with a steel chair.
No,
Wow,
man, you're
she
going
just-
the wrong way.
This floor slanted, man. Are these both swivels or no?
They're all swivels.
Are they?
I actually paid extra for that.
You need to freaking regrade this concrete.
Hey man, it's graded for the drain.
Jackie's awfully quiet over there.
I have nothing to say.
Man, that facial recognition picks that up quick.
Teddy was all freaked out because I took the back. How about Teddy? Because man, I got a blown out headlight. We take his whole front bumper off, and he put aftermarket LEDs in.
Yeah.
And the freaking the clip was unclipped.
No.
And I go, Teddy, is this supposed to be unclipped? It wasn't. That's what made his whole thing go.
Did he already buy new headlights?
Well, no, he was like,
Oh.
I need to like go and like figure out what kind of new headlight I need, a new bulb. Well, oh, these don't have anything to do. It's the battery. As I
You
go,
could see- I was still zooming.
come on. Oh, it's heavy.
It's gonna be tied down. You gotta undo. It's not just gonna pop out of there.
Where's it tied down at? I don't take too many batteries in and out, guy.
Apparently not.
Oh yeah, it's definitely. It's,
Oh my
right
gosh,
here.
it's literally right there.
Even Jackie knows that.
oh,
high
yeah,
batteries.
okay. Oh, now,
Wait till.
now I'm gonna get a
everybody
comment.
realizes-
This is the worst automotive YouTube channel ever.
Yeah.
What size do you think that is, Jackie? 14?
Sure.
Probably 13.
I don't know, maybe 13.
Oh, nice. No, she is a 13.
14.
How'd you know that?
Well, they don't put 14s on everything.
I should while we have. Oh, like a dream. Don't get any battery acid on you now.
Yeah, I'd say before, like that battery weighed like 3,200 pounds. It was attached to
It
the
got so
car.
light so fast. All right, I need a pair of freaking vice grips or something now. Nice.
You gonna give it a sound off?
Doo doo. Remember you put a beer in here, you're like, man, it's
No,
perfect.
Dave did that.
Oh,
I'm telling
yeah,
you.
yeah. What's this? Some freaking thing.
Put a squirrel in there.
Put a freaking almond in here. It's already out there, man.
I don't know why you don't have the,
Where's the
Look at you. Look at all the time you're wasting. You're almost wasting as much
man.
time as you would be if you're shifting.
2G.
Where'd you get those
It's like
huge,
pulling a tooth.
where'd you get those huge pliers at?
Anyways, this is the Audi short shifter that I'll be putting on the shelf.
Oh, I thought you were going to give it away.
Why would I want to give these away when I'm promoting the short shifter?
There.
Yeah, this is behind the scenes stuff, man. I just see you tickling that zoom a bunch now.
You know.
Remove
These are some
this
nice
stud
parts.
to put that in
This
here,
stud.
and then included with your hardware is going to be this nut. It's a 13 millimeter, and
She's
we're
a
going to
nut.
spin that on the back. So
Dog.
it'll slide off. But ours
You basically
will
put these
go
on so that you
He
can still
has the secondary
get
air
Oh.
clamp.
Anyways. Why that wasn't unlocked? Freaking battery.
Hit that again.
No, it's on the floor. You're gonna say that this video has started off so strong, gone downhill.
Oh, we haven't gotten kicked in the junk yet, so.
Hey Jackie, can you look that up? Can you pull that up on the screen for us?
What?
Like Jamie. We need Jackie over there with a pair of headphones on and freaking a little laptop in front of her. Jackie, can you pull that up for us? Wait till we're doing a podcast and Jackie's our Jamie.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
You've never watched Joe Rogan podcast?
Not really.
And he's like, Jamie, can you pull that up for us? Eating elk every day, where it does to your butthole? Do you think they make torque wrenches in Newton meters? Probably.
You've never used a torque wrench, have you?
I mean, do you think they sell them overseas that are like Newton meters, not pound feet?
You've really never used a torque wrench, have you?
What do you mean?
Every single torque wrench has both on them.
Well, mine doesn't. From Harbor Freight doesn't.
Is that your final answer?
I guess. Let's see it. Mine definitely does not.
Okay, yeah, because you probably got a different make and model of that same one.
Then how come every time I do this, you just never said, look at the Newton meter side? Damn it. It was on the back. Whatever. That's why people call this the worst automotive channel in history. I never knew that. Why would I look in the back of it? Why would you ever think to look on the back of the freaking torque wrench? That was a serious question. I thought maybe over in Germany they had Newton meter readers. Whatever, guy.
You've been schooled.
I have been schooled, apparently.
Class is in session and Jackie's not teaching this time.
As I just put the Newton meter reader away, as he's told me to torque
You
everything.
literally just had the torque wrench in your hand. You put it away.
Well, you don't got a small one. You have a small one?
Is that a trick question? I have a 1/4 inch torque wrench if that's what you're asking.
Where is it?
It's in the other toolbox. God, you can't pull all these drawers out. You're gonna flip the toolbox over.
You want to tell it? Somebody tell it to her.
You're gonna flip it over, have all the.
bench, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Jackie does that all the time with the dresser. Every drawer will be out, and it'll be teetering back and forth.
It doesn't teeter. He just spins these tails.
I've thought about-
it does not teeter.
I've thought about just giving it a little extra whatever and just having it collapse so she
Just-
learns a lesson.
Just to prove a point.
Oh, nice. I was looking at, man, look at this little guy. What did he say, 20?
Now that one, I think it's gonna be in inch pounds. So you're gonna have to do the conversion.
It still says Newton meters.
Does it? Yeah, just like they didn't put the Newton meters on your torque wrench.
I doubt anybody else has ever known that they put Newton meters on freaking made in America Pittsburgh freaking torque wrenches.
You know those aren't made in America.
Jack, can you look it up and see where Pittsburgh torque wrenches are made? Put that up on the screen.
Where Pittsburgh torque wrench.
See how confused she is? She doesn't know. Oh, we need to film you, so.
Your face.
Shut that thing off, guy.
A lot of debris. free in here.
Yeah, well, I had Wendy's
What was
in.
that?
I
What
had a
was
4 for $4 the other day.
I was gonna say, is that Subway? Is that a
No, it's probably
Submarine?
fries. It's probably fries.
Wendy's today, too.
Shut up! I love Wendy's.